Hello everybody, this is Mrs. DVD here. Today I'm going to show you how to create an origami cat face. I am starting here with this origami square paper, and I like it because I want it to look like a tiger kitty. And with the yellow and black stripes, it's going to look like a tiger kitty. So I have the color on one side and white on the other. Now, to start, I am going to have one pointed edge here pointing to me, and I'm going to have the white side up. And my first fold is, I'm going to bring this up to the top and make a taco fold. There we go. There is our taco fold. Our next fold is going to be bringing this corner over to this corner into another taco fold. Line it up. Run your nail on it a couple times. And there we go, another taco fold. That was quite easy, wasn't it? We will open up the taco fold. Okay, our next step is, I'm going to put my finger right here on where the middle line is. And I'm going to bring this off to the side here. This is going to wind up being an ear. And I'm going to do the same fold onto the other side. It's not going to the center line, it's off the center line. Okay, next I am going to bring this top down. And I'm going to have the pointy right on the center line. There we go. I'm going to turn it over. And what do we have? We have our cat's head. Look at that. So you can see the ears. There we go. So all I have to do now is draw the face. Okay, I'm going to draw an eye. And another eye. Okay, I'm going to make green eyes. So I want to put a little line, green line, right in the middle. Can't see it on that one with the stripe the way it is. Next, I'm going to make a red nose, a little red nose. There we go. Now I'll make his little mouth. And last but not least, this is whiskers. There we go. And I am all done with my little kitty. Isn't he cute? There you go. Now, if you want to make the origami kitty face, just follow the directions step by step, draw the face, and you'll be all done. So, let's have some fun. Bye-bye. Let's get creative.